Wick's sitting comfortably. Not really.
Resting, yeah, comfortably in the back seat.
I'm pretty sure there's a seat bracket somewhere up his ass.
Yeah, pretty much.
So we've been adjusting. Where the fuck is the set screw? Oh, it's in here.
It's
here.
Buried up in there.
Yeah,
somewhere.
I see it right here. We adjusted the set screw. We all went one way, and we got it to where this was staying cocked. So we said, let's just take a fat swing at it and adjust back here on our adjuster, which is what broke. But we still have enough to fiddle with it. So now we put this up, and it actually sits flush.
Yeah, you actually would have to adjust the screw to get it to keep from going as far over center.
Wrong way. Yeah, so now that we have something somewhat adjustable, it actually wants to go.
Boom.
Look at that. We've never had no gap there.
Yeah, so that's the way. It probably needs a little gap, but
Maybe a hair.
so I think this one needs to come up a little bit, and then this one needs to come down a little bit. Let me get rid of this gap over here,
Yeah, let's
and then see. Well, that'll probably even this out too, because this one I've got all the way down. This one's almost all the way up,
yeah. So
which is amazing. It's not even more cockeyed than it is. But if you notice, the top is pushed over to the driver's side,
whereas before it was
the other way.
yeah. Wick and I, with our thinking of let's just take a big ass swing and see what happens.
Yeah.
Well, now we know.
The cool thing about this is it's absolutely backwards from what logic would tell you. Bless you. It's like, I would think up would be up, but up is down, and down is up. And
Wow.
down is left, and up is right.
I think the viewers that are on acid will get this. We will be like, we don't know what the fuck's going on.
Yeah.
All right, I want to go all the way up just for fun.
Be careful, because you're
Oh yeah, look at how far off we are.
yeah, you're really
We're inch and a half.
yeah.
Holy fuck! You know what?
It's kind of funny that, just goes to show you the lever arm that you got here, because this adjustment was maybe half inch, 5/8 inch.
And we're
And
2 or 3 up here
up
almost.
there.
That's crazy.
So I say we come down with this one.
What
below
if we
where I had
go-
it before, and then we come up with this one? I mean, go down with this one also, because this one's not quite
What if we put them
Flush?
all at the extreme, like this one? Put both of them,
all the
and
way
then
down
work our way
forward.
forward.
Yeah, we can do that.
All right, that's our plan.
It's range of
Cycle.
motion.
It binds and unbinds. Like it puts load.
Mm-hmm.
It works kind of like, well, it's levers. I mean, that's what it's gonna do.
You want to drop? I know you do. Where's my
Don't
magnet?
don't drop it.
No, it definitely is trying to get away from me. All right, well now, get off of there. Oh, you fucker.
Like, if anybody says that you never do anything, all these videos proves that you do more than most people I know.
Do something anyway.
You.
There's the other half.
Oh, there it is. Spiny. Oh, what's up your ass?
Man. Let's see if I can do this without dropping the nut.
Oh, God.
Okay, there's the nut.
I'll retain all hardware.
Now I feel like there's something else behind there. There's the bolt, which is not nearly as squared as the one we just ordered.
Well, I have a feeling this is not the right bolt.
Oh, there's like a. Oh, here's the bushing they're talking about. Check this out. Ow!
Oh, shit. You all right?
Yeah, I just got it. It's like a nerve.
Hey, that's the thing that they're kind of talking about, but that doesn't have any teeth on it.
No.
That's the other kind of.
So I wonder if the new thing we're getting replaces this
and that
and
together as
it's
one.
of these together.
Because they probably had this fucking problem
Yeah.
and revised it.
Where they're like, hey, this clearly
of
cast
shit.
washer that we made, like you can tell.
Oh, yeah,
a
it's
little
totally
bit later.
cast.
And we just broke this, but That
been broke.
has been broke for 50 years probably.
That there's been broke a while.
And this is kind of interesting. You notice that copper sheen? Is that brass?
Like it's
Like this has kind of got a weird sheen to it.
so it pivots. It can rotate on it and spin.
Mm-hmm. Because we're not going to have any of that rotation stuff again.
That might actually solve some of the problem too.
Maybe. You know, while this thing's all unbolted now, it'd be a really good time to put it where we want it. Oh, sorry.
Wick in the fucking headlight.
Yeah, so, well, I guess we can't really adjust our windows today unless I loosen this all the way up, we cinch the top down, you know, get all this and just leave it.
Yeah, but then it's gonna move.
You
Because
think it
every
will?
time we do it, it's gonna move, and then we got to move the glass again.
All right.
I just want to prevent us from having to adjust the glass like 47,000 times.
We're going to have to do
'Cause-
that, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, I know.
But-
We'll have 2 days in the glass.
All right, well, let me
No.
put this bolt back in then so we can lower this and at least fix that
Do you want to?
trim.
Well, we have video of it, so we're good. I was gonna say you want to photograph it, but we don't need to. If we have, I can screenshot it.
I'll take a photo of it while I'm in here.
Okay.